this video, we're going to use the product rule to find the, we're just going to practice using the product rule. So we have two pieces. Like this would be our F, this would be like our G. We take the derivative of F, multiply it by G, then we add it to our F, multiplied by the derivative of G. And I'm not going to simplify it. Some of these would be better if you FOILed them and then took the derivative. Basically, this video is just a practice using this rule. And we're not even going to simplify. We're just going to fill in this formula. Okay, so for the first one, I'm going to take the derivative of F. And this would be like your F and your G. So I take the derivative of this, which is just 1, because it has the X, times my G. Then you had your plus, and then you take the derivative of, you copy down G, which is X, just a minute. So this would be X plus 3. Then take the derivative of this, and you get X plus 3, X plus, well, I should have done this different. Okay, let's do it again. So we're going to take the derivative of G, which is 1, times F, and then we're going to write down G, and take the derivative of F, which is just 1. And if you simplify that, that would be 2x plus 5. Alright, I'll do better on this next one. Okay, this one, we take the derivative. So the first thing we're going to do is take the derivative of this, which is 2x, times x squared plus 3. And then you're going to take your f, x squared minus 2, times the derivative of g, which is 2x. And if you want to simplify, you can, but that's not the purpose of this. Okay, the next one, same thing. We take the derivative, and we're just practicing using the rule. So for this one, we're going to take the derivative of that, which is just 2, times, this is our f, this is your g, times your g, which is 5x squared minus 3 plus e to the x. Then you copy down your f, which is 2x plus 2, and take the derivative of g, which is going to be 10x. That goes away because that's a constant, and e to the x is just going to be e to the x. Alright? Again, we're not simplifying or anything, we're just practicing. Okay, the next one, we have f, derivative of f. So we take the derivative of the first piece. So the derivative of that is just negative 1. That's going to be 0. And derivative of cosine is negative sign, so that's going to be positive sine of x. Alright, and then you just copy down your g, which is 5x to the 8th minus 3x. Then you put your plus, and we're going to copy down our f, and I'll move it down here a little bit, which is negative x plus 2 minus cosine of x. And you multiply it by the derivative of this piece, which is going to be 40x to the 7th minus 3. Okay, and the last one we have is this one. So again, this is your f, this is your g. So we take the derivative of this, and the derivative of f is going to be negative 9x to the 8th. That goes away. Derivative of sine is cosine of x. And you just multiply that by your g. Then you add your f, which is negative x to the 9th plus 2 plus sine of x. And you multiply that by the derivative of g, which is going to be 1 plus 6x. So that's just practicing using the product rule. The next ones we get into involve trig and natural logs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.